With the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can use the Samsung DeX feature and wirelessly display or mirror your mobile screen to any Windows PC, laptop, or computer without any cable connection, and even can use your phone as a mouse. Let's see the step-by-step process to connect them. For that, you first need to enable wireless display on your computer. If you haven't set it up yet, open Settings on your Windows. Go to System and scroll down to Projecting to this PC. Enter the option. If wireless display is installed, skip to our next part. Otherwise, click on Optional Features. Then click on View Features. Here you can search for wireless display. If it appears in the installed function list, fine. If not, click on See Available Features. Search for wireless display. Select the option and then press on Add. This process will take a while. In our case, it needed 32 minutes to complete the adding process. So wait patiently. And when the adding is completed, you can search for the function to cross-check. If it's showing added, go back to the Projecting to this PC option from System. As you can see, a Launch the Wireless Display app to project to this PC option is now appearing. To connect with your S26 wirelessly, click on this option. It shows Ready to Connect. Now, grab your S26 Ultra. Before you go, make sure both your S26 and Windows are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So, on your S26, you can either go to Settings, from there to Connected Devices. Scroll down and enter Samsung DeX. Scroll down and then tap on Connect Wirelessly. Or you can swipe down the screen to open Quick Access Panel, expand it if needed, and tap on DeX. You will end up in the same section, and in a moment, your laptop or Windows desktop's name will appear in here. Tap on the name and tap on Start to confirm it, and it will wirelessly start mirroring your screen on your computer in a moment. For the first time, you might get this pop-up. Just click on Start. You can use your S26 as a mouse. For that, tap on this box icon at the bottom left corner. The screen will go dark. You can now start using your S26 as a mouse while the whole device will mirror on your Windows computer. You can access all your phone settings, folders, and apps from your Windows and make changes from the computer. Now, when you're done and want to disable DeX, double tap over the cross icon at your Galaxy first. It will go back to the mobile interface. Then, open the DeX icon and just tap on it to turn off DeX. Next time, when you want to use Samsung DeX again, from your computer's Projecting to PC section, click on Launch the Wireless Display app to project to this PC. Your PC will be discoverable in the available device settings, and then you can use it the same way we have shown. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for your time.